This is, move your head out the way. This, I'm trying to get footage of what the flooring looks like when, what, the floor, like that, like that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So her floor is being ran the same way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Are you really? Because you keep... The floor is being ran the same way as everything. Her floor is being ran the same way that the whole house is. What?
Why are you recording me?
Because you just put your head in the doggone camera. You did. Back up. You didn't even have to be in the camera. Like, what is the purpose of being in the camera? Like, but really? Waving. Naya, who you waving at? It's not even nobody across the street. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this is all being laid the same way as the rest of the floor. The whole house is basically going the same way. The face. Why are you making faces? Why are you making faces? Why are you making faces? I'm confused. What? What are you? Naya, what are you doing? What? Naya, what are you doing? What are you measuring? Count what? Trying to make sure he got what? Amount of what? Naya, really? Really?
What?
What? Can you get out his way? He went to cut some more. Like, get out his way. What? Why are you? The floor is not even going that way, Naya. Like, what?
He's gonna be happy. I can't get over here.
Why are you? Hold on.
Just give me a minute.
What? If it's this stressful, if it's this, no. Oh my God. What? Really, Nye?
Yeah. That's definitely gonna work.
That's what's definitely gonna work. Naya, can you get out here so he can do what he doing? Your room ain't gonna get done if you in the way.
Oh, he's out there right now. So when he comes back, that's when I'll get better. No, when he comes back in here, that's when I'll.
Oh my. Why are you doing all this extra stuff though? I'm trying to figure out, what does this have to do with the floor that's going this way? Like what?
Wait.
What? Wait for... Oh gosh, help me, Lord. What are you doing? What? Naya, what is you looking side to side for like you really don't? Naya, cause he gonna be coming back in here in a minute. You need to get out this room. What is the purpose of all the stuff that you doing? That's not the floor, Naya. That's not the floor.
Oh, he still has to do these. Look.
That's because he's not finished. He got to touch up paint. What? What is you sticking that in? That's the vent for the air. That don't have nothing to do with anything. She talking about you still and do that. So she trying to measure it to see what. Naya, can you get out so he can? I can't. Oh my gosh! Somebody come get her, please. Why is you sticking it in the hole? What? Naya, why is you sticking it in the hole? Enough space for what? Okay. Ain't nobody out there waving to you. Can you get your shoes on and get out, please? And thank you. He's trying to do work. Thank you. Come on. Let's go. See, you're stressing him out. What? Get out the... Girl, get out the room. Get out the room. Get out. Why is you walking like that? Why is you walking like that? Really? What? No. Really, Nye? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Like, I'm trying to figure out. Where did you go get your coffee or do something with your life or something? Like, oh, it's gone. So anyway. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? What? Ah, go.